So grab a bottle, let your body waddle. Don't act like a sloppy model, you just sit the lotto. Business hopping in my Tahoe. Got a riding shotgun, and now one of them got close. Now where's the rubbers? Who got the rubbers? I noticed there's so many of them in this feeling, not that any of us. And ladies love us, my posse's kicking up dust. It's on to the break of dawn, and we're starting this party from dusk. Okay, let's go.
Everybody get up, it's time to slam now. We got the real jam going down. Welcome to the Space Jam. It's your chance, do your dance at the Space Jam. Alright.
Cap in a stem, catch a wave on us. Take a shot, make a friend, just enjoy the moment. Blue sky walking on these haters. Celebrate every day like a birthday. Good things come to those that wait up. Don't wait to jump in too long. Don't sleep, you gotta stay up.
And if I'm ever gonna move on, I'm gonna need some whiskey glasses, 'cause I don't wanna see the truth. She's probably making out on the couch right now with someone new. Yeah, I'ma need some whiskey glasses if I'm gonna make it through. I'ma be single, I'ma need a double shot of that heartbreak groove. I'ma make the crowd go.
My name Mac Miller. Who the fuck are you? Well, my crew too live, but I ain't Uncle Luke. And I ain't no hipster, girl, I can make your hipster. From Pittsburgh, smoke papers or a swisher. Welcome to the Camp Chronicles. Look at how my mind goes. I'm dodging obstacles, I gamble like the Bellagio. You cockroach, I'm heroin, 'cause everything I thought to go. Tight to leave it clean and fucking shiny, word of mop and glow.
I got my first real six string, bought it at the 5 and dime. Played it till my fingers bled. Was the summer of '69. Mr. Jones and me tell each other fairy tales, and we stare through beautiful women. She's looking at you, oh no, she's looking at me, smiling in the bright lights, coming through in stereo. When everybody loves you, you could never be alone. Oh, when I look back now, that summer seemed to last forever. Those were the best days of my life.
She's nothing like a girl you've ever seen before. Nothing you can compare to your neighborhood before. I'm trying to find the words to describe this girl without being disrespectful. The way that booty moving, I can't take no more. I just stop what I'm doing so I can pull her close. I'm trying to find the words to describe this girl without being disrespectful.
What I want, you got it, might be hard to handle, but like a flame that burns a candle, the candle feeds a flame. Oh yeah, where were you? You make my dreams come true.
I know it hurts sometimes, but you'll get over it. You'll find another life to live. I swear that you'll get over it. But I know you're sad and tired, you got nothing left to give. You'll find another life to live.
You're still a traitor. Living in a haze, staying in the shade. All I do
Eiffel Tower at night. And if all I got is your hand in my hand, baby, I could die a happy man.
One beer turns into a lit cigarette, burning into a 2-beer buzz. 3 beers turns into 5 and 6, then a love drunk kiss in the back of that truck. Just like that, everything rearranges. Life changes out of the blue. It's just a Bud Light, but ain't funny what one beer can turn into. One beer can turn into. One beer can turn into. Just like that, everything rearranges. Life changes out of the blue. It's just a Bud Light, but ain't funny what one beer can turn into.
Sprung from cages on Highway 9, chrome wheel, fuel injected, and stepping out over the line. Oh, baby, this town rips the bones from your back. It's a death trap. It's a suicide rap. We gotta get up.